Hello everyone, welcome to evagoodlife channel. Today I'm going to do a chia pudding with peanut butter caramel that is absolutely delicious. It's very easy and quick to do, and it's a great snack and also a dessert. Come with me. And that's it, guys. This is our chia pudding with this sweet caramel with peanut butter and dates. It's very healthy. This can be a snack, a breakfast, and of course a dessert also. It's very nutritious, very rich, and it's so delicious. I hope you enjoyed, guys. This is really good for the hot days. So if you like this recipe and this video, please thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more macrobiotic recipes without animal products or refined sugar. Thank you so much for being there, and remember, have a good life. Let's try this chia pudding. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is absolutely delicious. This is so indulging, so creamy, so delicious. Oh my god. Have a good life.